Alright, so if you noticed in my last short video, we noticed the fan belt was toasted. So what we're going to do is show you how to take it off. So you have a adjuster bolt nut right here. Little bolt that goes through into here. You have a bolt down here to loosen it up a little bit. That'll give you the free play to move. The alternator. Then you're just going to pull the belt off. You get it off of the fan right here. Pull it out. I have a few belts here, but none of my belts look wide enough for this, so I'm not sure if I put a little tiny V-belt in there if it's gonna work, but I mean, I can try it and we'll see what happens. If it works for temporary until I get the correct belt, get this customer up and moving with no speed bumps or no delay in their work. That way I can actually go get the belt and they're not down until I get back. So let's see how easy it is to do this. I'm gonna break these loose, break that loose, and try to get this out. Let's just get the right range. Actually, close it up a little bit. We'll try this again. One seems loose. Loose enough maybe. Let's try one more little pull. That's loose, it's spinning. So now we'll loosen up the bottom. Broke free. That one, we're gonna go get the right range for. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we got that broke loose, it's loose. Belt is off. Let me show you the little trick here. You're gonna feed it up over one of your blades. And then as you go around, you're just gonna keep feeding it over the next blade. So eventually, you're all the way out into the front. Just like that, and we are out. Now let's see if my other belt here lines up the same. And that's pretty close to the same length. I have a lot of adjustments, so we'll try to slap this little V-belt on there, and then we'll go get the correct belt, and we will do a follow-up and repair it with the right one. But this is just for the customer's sake, that they are not down any longer than they absolutely have to be. The whole idea is to keep the customer working. So let's see if we can do that. And it's on. Let's just try this. And it might be a little tight, but that's kind of good. Do I have any more adjustment? I actually do. I can come back a little bit more on this one. Loosen this up a wee bit. And I can push forward even more. We got it on, and then we'll pull this back out as tight as we can get it, kinda not too tight to instantly destroy the belt, but tight enough. So let's see. Pull this out. We'll get this one tight. size difference, I think we need to go tighter. It's gonna take 2 hands, so let me set the camera down for a second, get a pry in there and get it out tighter, and we'll just see how long it lasts. 1 second. All right, there we go. So we got it in. It's a lot tighter now. Let's check and see if she'll start up and stay running. If she does that, then we know we're good to go and order the correct fan belt or go pick one up. This is a Napa belt that I took off. So we could possibly just go grab it right away. Maybe come back and see if this works. So let's see if she stays on this time. So it's in lockout mode. You want to turn it off. Stop mode, generator at rest. So now you hit this one and this one. Preheat. She's staying running. That means the fan belt is working. It's actually pumping fluid now.